Canadians are lucky to have access to publicly funded healthcare and many social services, but one glaring omission is a proper food affordability program. Americans have had access to food stamps, now called SNAP, since 1939. The program gives money to lower-income Americans that they can use to buy groceries, but no such program exists in Canada. The average monthly amounts that American SNAP users receive is $187 per month, but the maximum benefit can be almost $300 per month for a single person and $1,000 a month for a family of four. In Canada, hunger and the high price of food have become a real crisis. The number of food bank users in Canada has doubled in recent years, hitting a record high of 6.5 million people visiting a food bank last year. That's for a population of just over 40 million total residents. And food bank usage is only continuing to increase this year. In total, Food Banks Canada estimates that around 10 million Canadians don't have access to enough food. So here are the top 5 reasons Canada needs a food affordability program. Number 5. Stagnating wages, or when your paycheck doesn't keep up with the rising cost of living. While Statistics Canada data shows that the average wage is increasing, the cost of living has gone up more quickly. Since 2021, average wages have increased around 9%, while the price of food and rent have increased 3 times as much, or roughly 30%. Number 4. Increase in the cost of food, or food inflation. Food prices at grocery stores have increased over 27% since 2021, making food affordability a national crisis. The average family of four spent around $16,000 on food last year, while the average take-home pay for the poorest 33% of Canadian families is approximately $45,000 per year or less after taxes. So the average family spends around 1/3 of their net income on food. Number 3. Cost of housing and other living expenses. The average monthly rental listing in Canada surpassed $2,200 a month for the first time last year, which was an all-time high. Many renters are paying over half their take-home pay to pay for rent. That includes 27% of renters in Vancouver, 19% of renters in Toronto, and 16% of renters nationwide. Number 2. Other social programs like welfare, disability benefits, and employment insurance don't provide enough money to buy food after paying for rent and other living expenses. Welfare pays an average of $700 monthly. The average disability benefit is $1,300 per month. The average employment insurance payment is between $1,000 and $2,000 per month. The wait list for affordable housing can be several years, so many support programs don't even come close to covering a person's or family's basic expenses, like food, housing, electricity, and clothing, among others. And number 1, a lack of social programs that address hunger. Clearly, the data shows that existing social programs are not enough to help the poorest Canadians afford food. The situation has gotten so bad that 1/3 of food banks and other food charities have had to turn people away in recent years. So don't forget to write the federal and your provincial governments asking for programs that provide you money so you can afford your groceries. So that's all for this video. Visit our YouTube, Instagram, and X or Twitter pages often for our future videos and other content. Don't forget to subscribe to the News in 5 YouTube channel and follow News in 5 on social media. Remember to check out our website, newsin5.net. Visiting our website as often as you can is an excellent way to support this media company.